My dear students, I'm going to explain you the difference in the meaning of lather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R, lather, and L-A-T-H-E-R, lather. L-E-A-T-H-E-R, lather, it is a noun, and this means this is the skin of different animals. Yeah, outer skins of different animals. So that is L-E-A-T-H-E-R. So we can say the sentence, the leather of animals is used in making different types of shoes and so many other things. And LATHER, leather, this is also noun, and it means form, FOAM, form, which is produced when soap is or detergent is dissolved in water. Then white bubbles are formed. Yeah, those white bubbles are called FOAM, form, and that is only LATHER, leather. So the formation of sentence we are making, the formation of leather in soft water with detergents is too much. So in this way we can distinguish the meaning of leather, LATHER and LEATHER. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.